gonna go over there.
Say that you're a dreamer.
Hi there, everybody. It's a little bit gloomy outside today. All foggied. All fogged up. It's all fogged up outside. I have no plan for today, really. I don't really know. I think I'm probably gonna go get coffee like I normally do. Go edit the vlog like I normally do. But as of right now, we have a date for our departure to an undisclosed location in the United States. We have a date. I've been here for about a month longer than what I thought it would be. But we have a date. I think I've found myself a place to stay, hopefully. I've got 3 or 4 job opportunities, hopefully. So, that's that. It's raining. And I'm drying my hammock. And it's hanging from the ceiling fan. And we have a fire. Exciting. Woo! Exciting. Let's leave this house. Here, this is always exciting, right? That was a fail. That one was a total fail. I've never seen a firework do that before. It's gonna go over there. I didn't hear it explode. Let's get out of here. This guy is the slowest driver in the world. I drank my coffee. It was delicious. I wish you guys could have been there for that. It was very delicious. So basically, I emptied out my piggy bank, and literally, I have a piggy bank. I really do. And it had all this money in it. A whole shopping bag of money. I'm going to go in here and get some money. Well, I'm not going to get any money. I'm just going to convert it into the paper kind. The paper variety. I made $42. Well, I didn't really make $42. I already had it. I just got it turned into paper money. Which is more convenient than pennies. A lot more convenient.